Welcome, everyone. Today we are going to think about a simple but powerful question. What is the right thing to do? And let's start with a story. Imagine you are driving a train. The brakes are broken. In front of you, there are 5 workers on the track. If you go straight, they will die, but you can turn the train to another track. On that track, there is only 1 worker. If you turn, 1 person will die, but 5 will live. What would you do? Many people say, turn the train. They think saving 5 people is better than saving 1. Now imagine a different situation. You are standing on a bridge. A train is coming. 5 workers are on the track. Next to you, there is a big man. If you push him onto the track, the train will stop. He will die, but the 5 workers will live. Would you push him? Most people say no, but why? In both stories, 1 person dies and 5 people live. So what feels different? Some people say the result is what matters. If more people live, the action is better. Other people say some actions are just wrong. Killing an innocent person feels wrong even if it saves more lives. Let's look at one more story. 4 sailors are lost at sea. They have no food or water for many days. One boy becomes very weak and sick. The other 3 decide to kill him and eat his body so they can survive. Later they are rescued. Was that right or wrong? Some people say they wanted to survive. They had no other choice. Others say killing is always wrong, no matter the situation. These stories help us see 2 simple ideas. One idea says, choose the action that helps the most people. The other idea says, some things are always wrong, even if the result is good. In this course, we will think about questions like these. We will not just learn information. We will learn how to think. Philosophy can feel uncomfortable sometimes. It makes us question our own ideas, but it also helps us understand ourselves and the world better. So welcome again. Now let's start thinking.